Alright folks, let's talk about checking Apache status with Ansible. No more manual checks, no more late-night panic attacks over server downtime. Ansible streamlines monitoring so you can focus on more important things, like coffee breaks. With automation, you get consistency, reliability, and fewer surprises. So why do things the hard way when Ansible makes life easy? I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's start with the basics. Ansible is like a magic wand for IT operations. No agents, no complexities, just straight-up automation goodness. Playbooks, they're like recipes for your infrastructure. And with YAML, even humans can understand them. Ansible takes the headache out of server management, so you get more time to enjoy your coffee while your tasks execute flawlessly. Managing Apache manually is like herding cats. It's chaotic and unpredictable. But with Ansible, smooth sailing. From configuring servers to rolling out updates, it's automation at its finest. Think fewer errors, more efficiency, and less stress. And who wouldn't want a stress-free sysadmin life, right? Before we dive into running Ansible, let's talk prerequisites. Ansible needs a control node, a good inventory setup, and a secure SSH connection. Oh, and don't forget Python. Without it, Ansible won't talk to your servers. It's like trying to call someone with a disconnected phone. Get these pieces in place, and you'll be automating like a pro. Let's talk about debugging Apache status with Ansible. First, we check if Apache is running or throwing a tantrum using Ansible commands. Then we peek into configuration files, because sometimes the problem is just a sneaky typo. Next, we read those error logs like detective novels, uncovering what went wrong. Finally, we put Ansible playbooks to work, automating the fixes so we don't have to do the same checks over and over. Smart, right? Errors, everyone's least favorite surprise. First, we spot common issues that can trip up Apache status checks. Then we call in Ansible modules, which help pinpoint and fix problems quickly. Good logging is essential, because guessing what went wrong is not a strategy. And finally, we make sure Apache has the right permissions, because sometimes it's just a matter of access. That way we dodge avoidable headaches. Wouldn't it be great if Apache could just tell us when it's feeling unwell? With automation, it almost does. We schedule automated status checks using Ansible, so we're always in the know. Next, we set up alerts, because ignoring problems never makes them go away. We use playbooks to ensure consistent monitoring across systems. And finally, we fine-tune automation to minimize downtime, because fewer outages mean fewer angry emails. Keeping Apache healthy isn't just a one-time thing. We start by regularly checking performance metrics, because prevention beats crisis management. Security matters too, so we ensure safe monitoring practices to keep things locked down. Scalability is key, especially in bigger environments. Monitoring should grow with your infrastructure. And lastly, we integrate Apache status checks with other IT processes, so we're not juggling multiple dashboards. Troubleshooting, the art of turning frustration into problem solving. High resource usage, we pinpoint the culprits. Apache service failure. Ansible helps us bring it back to life. Slow responses, we diagnose connectivity hiccups. And finally, we balance the load properly, because nobody likes a sluggish website. Troubleshooting might sound tedious, but with the right tools, it's just another puzzle waiting to be solved. And that's a wrap. We've covered debugging, error handling, automation, best practices, and troubleshooting Apache like pros. The key takeaway: stay proactive, fix issues before they turn into nightmares. Automation is a lifesaver, and good monitoring habits keep things running smoothly. Keep learning, keep improving, and most importantly, keep Apache happy. Any questions before we close? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.